All right, everyone, welcome to this video. All right, in this video I am going to be teaching you how to add text to your videos. All right, how to practically add text to your videos, both the animations and all of those works. All right, so to do that, to add text to your videos, in this particular video we are going to be using CapCut. Yeah, we are going to be using CapCut for this. If you don't have CapCut, simply go to your Play Store, as I usually say, and download CapCut. This is CapCut, CapCut. All right, CapCut. Go to your Play Store, type CapCut, and you are going to see that, and you will install the app. All right, so since I have it, I'll simply go over to the app. So when you come here, these are the works that I've done already on the app. But if you are just coming new, you are going to see nothing here. All right, so what you simply do is to go to your new project, click on new project. So when you come to new project, it is going to take you to your library, to your files, so that you can select the video that you want to add text on. So for me, I will simply select the video that I want to use for this purpose. All right, I'm looking for the video I want to use. Okay, just a moment. All right, I'm looking for a very short video that doesn't have audio, that doesn't have text on it. Almost all of these have text on them, so let me look for a particular one that doesn't have text. I think this does not have text, this particular one. Let me choose this. So just choose anyone that you want to use for the purpose. I'll simply choose this. It will ask me to add. I'll simply click on add at the bottom. All right, so I'll play it. You can see it doesn't have any text on it, so that is why I choose this. There is no text. So first of all, let me just remove this watermark. Click on it. To remove this CapCut watermark, simply click on it and click on delete, and it will be off. So that's it. You can see the video is very short, just 10 seconds. The video is 10 seconds. So the reason why I selected is because it is short and because there is no text on it. It's very, very empty. So let's start the work. Okay, now if you watch, the first thing that I said in this, of course I'm the one that is speaking here, the first thing I said is cook yourself. All right, so now to add text, let's say you want to add that text that I just said, you want to add it. What you simply do is to come to the text. If you look here, you are going to see edit, you see audio, and you see text. Simply click on text. When you click on text, you can actually select template. You can select template, you can select caption. Let me see how. Okay, template is how you want your text to appear. All right, but what I'm going to do here, I'm going to use template. And so you just want to select add text. You can say add text, or you select text template. But for the sake of this class, I am going to be showing you the two functions. All right, add text and text templates. That is what we are going to be using for this class. Is that okay? All right, so what you want to do right now is to click on add text. Let's use the two for this. All right, cook yourself in the place of prayer. All right, the first thing I said there is cook yourself in the place of prayer. So I'll simply write it, cook then yourself, cook yourself in the place of prayer. All right, cook yourself in the place of prayer. You can see it's too long, so I can just split it. All right, I'll click on enter. All right, so the next thing I want to do is to change the font. All right, let me change the font. It becomes more bigger. So if it's bigger, you can still reduce it. Now the next thing I want to do to this text is to go to style. All right, you can actually do several things. I can change this what is it called? You can see that I can change this to several fonts. I can change it to several fonts as I wish. All right, some of them require data. I think I have to on my data for this. Some of them require data to load. All right, you get. Some of these require data to load. All right, so let me just choose this particular one. Now if you watch, you find out that the color is almost invisible because the cloth I'm wearing in this video is somehow is contain white, so and this is white also. So let's go and change the color. So come here, let's choose color to get a color that will be visible here. So just choose color. I think black supposed to be good for this. Oh no, it's not fine. It's not fine. Okay, yellow. All right, so you can just go ahead and look for a color that will actually match this. All right, but let me just choose that. Let me just choose cook yourself in the place of prayer. Apply. All right, let me just choose sorry, cook yourself in the place of prayer, applying the word of God. Okay, let me just use this red and give you example of what I'm talking about. All right, so I can still go ahead and edit this. All right, if I still want to edit it, I can go ahead and edit this place. If I choose cook, then I will come to edit style, click on edit style, then I'll go to what do we do here? Let's choose canvas. No, this is not what I want to do. All right, this is not what I want to do here. Shadow. I don't want to edit all, just this. Stroke. All right, so you can actually stroke. Yeah, okay, let's see this. Let's stroke everything. Let's stroke everything. All right, let's stroke. All right, you can see it is more better right now. Cook yourself in the place of prayer, applying the word of God. Cook yourself in the place of prayer, applying the word of God. All right. Cook yourself in the place of prayer, applying the word of God. In the place of prayer. So the next thing you want to do is to go to the next thing is prayer, I said applying the word of God. Applying the word of God. So that is the next thing we are going to do. Cook yourself place of prayer, applying in the place of prayer. Look at where it ended. Prayer, applying the so drag your text to where the word stop. All right, where you stop speaking, that is where your text is going to stop. So the next thing you want to do, the next thing I said is applying the word of God. That applying the word of God, you can decide. All right, you can decide to use this. Okay, let me do it that way. Let me just click on it. It's already there. Let me just copy. All right, when you copy, you drag it instead of writing from beginning. All right, you can just click here and edit it, then you delete it. I believe you understand. You got what I mean here. Then applying the word of of God. Applying the word of God. You can see that. You can see applying the word of God, because the reason why is the same now is because I copied this first one and transfer it to the next one. All right, if not, I would have started from beginning to make my editing. Place of prayer, applying the word of God, applying what God... Okay, now let me do it from afresh again. The next one said applying what God said. Okay, but now let me choose from beginning so that you see what I'm talking about. All right, I actually is is prompting me to still continue with that first one. All right, but no problem, let me just applying what... Okay, what God said. Applying what God said. So if I still want to change this one, I'll still go and change it. Let me go to color. So you can actually choose any color at all that you want. All right, let me use this. Okay, effect. You can choose effect. You see that? All right, this is how to add effect to all your work. All right, we have different kinds of effects. All right, you can actually do your effect manually, but all right, I think this is okay. Cook yourself in the place of prayer, applying the word of God, applying what God said. Applying the word of God. Let's drag it. Applying what God... You carry this one, shift it. Make sure each word starts from where each sentence actually start from where the other one stopped. Make sure they are in order. Make sure that everything is in order. Applying what God said concerning mercy. So let's see where this one's... Okay, this one need to shift small. All right, then bring it here. Then you go to add text. You delete these ones. Just write concerning mercy. Okay, let me just edit this. Let's go to style. To edit it, you said that you click on this pen icon in the video, or you come to style. You see? Oh yeah, let's use style. Just click on style at the bottom. Click on style. If you click on style, you'll be able to change everything that you want to change. You can change the font. You can change the font to anything at all you want to choose. All right, but make sure you are consistent. Don't use more than one font. So let's use the first font we are using, which is this. And also your effects, don't use several effects. If possible, stick to one particular effect. If you want it to look more attractive, you can use animation and other things, which I am also going to show you in this video. All right, so go to go to style. Let's change the color. The previous color is okay. Now the reason why it seems as if you are having a mixed color here is because we have the effect is active, but let's remove the effect. You can see we have removed the effect. You see, we have removed the effect right now. So go back to your style. You can now pick colors and it will not be so let's just return to effect. All right, it is okay. Like I said, don't use more than one color. Don't use more than one color. All right, I just did this to show you example. All right, I did this in order to show you example, but you are not expected to use more than one font. Is that okay? All right, so this video is taking long. In the next video, I am going to show you how to add effect to all these tests. All right, so just continue from the next video where I'm going to be showing you how to add effect to all this video, and also the next one we are going to be learning how to add transition to our video. All right, thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.